So in this video I'm going to show you how you can navigate the channels, direct message and conversation in Slack app. So for that you need to open your Slack application. Then here you have a uh, then here you have a channel that you have joined. Okay, so it will open directly to a channel that you have joined. Then you can see here some option. You can navigate DMs here. From there you can just click on profile that are joined to your channel. For example, I want to see my conversation with Ali. I can just click on that. Here I can just message Ali and even begin the conversation, and also can see the old conversation with Ali. And if I want to go to channel generals and any other things, here I can just access that as well. Okay, so here I can also see the conversation with the people. Okay, so if I click on the top, I can just click if I just click on the top TM icon, I can just switch to another channel. Okay, so this is how you can switch to another channels, and it is very easy.